Blepharoplasty is a type of eyelid surgery. It can help improve the eyelid's function and appearance by making specific changes to skin, fat, or muscle. Surgical scars are usually hidden within the eye's natural folds or creases, or inside the eyelid. During blepharoplasty for the upper eyelid, the surgeon makes an opening within the natural crease on the lid and removes excess skin. Depending on the purpose of the surgery, the surgeon may remove muscle and remove or reposition fat. To repair the lower eyelid, the surgeon often makes an opening just below the lower eyelash line. The surgeon can remove excess skin and reposition or remove excess fat through this incision. Sometimes the incision is made inside the lower eyelid instead to remove or redistribute fat. Then the eyelid incisions are closed with stitches or surgical adhesive.